Fishbone Stitch, and it is a great stitch for leaves. So we're going to start by coming up at the tip of this leaf. We're going to go down halfway in the center of it. Then we're going to go just to the side of this first stitch and following this line. So we're going to come up right there. And we're going to go just to the bottom and over, just a little tiny bit. Our fishbone stitch is going to make a bit of like a crisscross shape. So then we're going to go to this side of our floss, our first stitch, come up, and we're going to go in the same line as this last stitch, but over on the opposite side. And we're going to go back over here. Going to go down, and we're going to come right at the bottom of that last stitch. Isn't that just a nice, pretty leaf?